Obsidian table. So the table is located right here, and it gives you an opportunity to use the front seats when they're turned around. You can store that plug in the back, and right here is where the table leg is stored. There's an eyelet with a Velcro strap. Beware the subwoofer, just be gentle with it. It's in a spot that could possibly get damaged. And then that screws into place. You can secure it fully by rotating this down, and then that'll really secure it into place. The tabletop is behind the chair here. Again, be careful where you store it, not in front of the subwoofer where it could damage the subwoofer. And this tabletop just gets knocked into place. It's a small table, but it's pretty nice for just when you turn the front seats around, which I will show you now. Go ahead and go outside, open up the side door, and in order to swivel the front seats, you must raise the seat so that this cowling clears that. There is a rod right here, and are you able to get around and show this? There is a lever right here that lifts up that allows you to rotate it. Whenever you rotate it, notice how it can get bound up. So you need to slide the seat forward so that you can continue to rotate the seat around. And now you have the seat rotated, and at this point you can slide the seat back and have access to the table and this chair. The driver's seat also rotates around. Be aware that the driver's seat is unable to rotate with the emergency brake engaged. So the emergency brake has to be disengaged, unfortunately, in order to utilize the driver's seat swivel. Make sure you're parked on a level surface, obviously that the rig is in park, and then you can use the driver's swivel. Do not recommend ever